Hello to dear 11th in every corner of India. This is Suchitra, your facilitator and guide in your own channel English Medium. Before we get into today's topic, quickly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest videos. Dear students, I hope you would agree that the person one is most fond of in his childhood is the grandmother, the partner in crime, the savior from mother, the secret holder, and the jackpot to fulfill our childish wishes and longings. Who can forget her mouth-watering cuisines and bedtime stories through which she always tries to inculcate a moral, a message? Some such unforgettable golden memories of his grandmother are compiled beautifully by Khushwant Singh in his short story The Portrait of a Lady, which is the first chapter of your main textbook Hornbill. Let us have a glimpse of a short biography of the author before we begin the chapter. Khushwant Singh was born on 2nd February 1915 and died on 20th March 2014, just missing out to hit the century. He was born to Sir Shobha Singh and Veeran Bai in a Sikh family in Haldia, Punjab, which now lies in Pakistan. One of the most promising, versatile, distinguished and well-known personality Khushwant Singh was an author, lawyer, diplomat, journalist and politician. His experience in the 1947 partition of India inspired him to write Train to Pakistan in 1956, which turned out to be his most popular novel. Apart from this, he has a number of short stories collection like The Mark of Vishnu and Other Stories, The Voice of God and Other Stories, A Bride for the Sahib and Other Stories, Paradise and Other Stories, and many more. He also has a wide range and variety of novels like The Sunset Club, a novel, The Company of Women, Gods and Godmen of India, etc. He also composed Why I Supported the Emergency, a collection of essays and profiles, and Truth, Love and a Little Malice, which is his autobiography. Having seen and experienced a lot in his life, his write-ups are always inspired by the contemporary social, economical, religious and political affairs of the country and the world, like the history of Sikhs, the fall of the Kingdom of the Punjab, Ghadar 1915, India's first armed revolution, We Indians, the end of India, the illustrated history of the Sikhs, and many more are there in the line. Khushwant Singh was one of the widely acknowledged authors of India. He has been honored with Rockefeller Grant Award, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Sahitya Academy Fellowship Award also. Through his immortal creations, he has really proved that pen is actually mightier than the sword. A drop from his vast ocean you are going to read in The Portrait of a Lady. Further in this video, I will share with you the key points of the lesson before a detailed study. We will begin with the description of Khushwant Singh's grandmother through his point of view. The most memorable and wonderful time he had spent in his childhood with his grandmother that had left an incredible imprint on his mind. They are shifting to the city, Khushwant's enrollment in an English school, and a bridge that built between him and his grandmother, and sudden change in their relationship. As he moved abroad for higher studies, his grandmother shelled herself and spent most of the time at the spinning wheel and feeding the sparrows. After this, we will read The Homecoming of Khushwant Singh and a grand and power-packed celebration by his grandmother and the family. And then, the grandmother falls sick the very next day and the same evening departs for the heavenly abode. For the complete description and explanation of the lesson, please go through my next video whose link has been shared in the description box of this video as well. Please give your feedback and don't forget to like, share and subscribe English Medium. Thank you and take care.